The cost of living is increasing, so my dad has been saving money by eating home a lot more. However, he's been leaving the bread out for too long. In this video, he'll show you how he saves his stale bread. He wanted to make a sandwich, so we'll start by cutting the bread in half. He buttered both sides and added a bit of Dijon mustard to one side. For this sandwich, he took out a few slices of Jarlsberg cheese. He cut them into slices and spread them over the bread. Now he'll be adding some French camembert. He cut off a few pieces of the cheese and put them on top of the bread. He seasoned with a bit of salt and pepper. Then he placed both slices carefully into the air fryer. He used the auto-cook function for 2 slices of pre-baked baguettes. The air fryer selected 8 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. He wanted to make the bread extra crunchy so you wouldn't be able to tell how old it was. While that was in the air fryer, he began preparing the other ingredients for the sandwich. He sliced up a tomato, a few pieces of lettuce, and some slices of ham. Now that the bread was ready, you could see that the cheese had melted and it had become a crisp golden brown. The bread no longer looked old and instead crunchy and fresh. On the plain slice of bread, he laid the lettuce, tomatoes, and ham. Additionally, he spread some mayonnaise on top. Now the sandwich is ready, and it looked exactly like one you would find at a store. You could no longer tell how old it was, and it tasted perfect. Now my dad can save a few dollars at lunch by making this sandwich instead of going out. The bread was crunchy and it paired well with the flavor.